Now here the question is, find the equation of parabola whose vertex is at 2 comma 1 and whose focus is at 0 comma 1. So I'll mark these 2 points. So vertex is at 2 comma 1. So vertex, it is at 2 comma 1 and focus, it is at 0 comma 1. Now axis is parallel to x-axis. So we know that we can solve this question using either of the 4 standard forms. So when vertex is here, focus is here, we know that it will be a parabola opening leftward, and which is equivalent to the standard parabola, which is y square equals minus 4ax. Now, what is the distance between vertex and focus? So now in this case, distance between vertex and focus is simply 2. So value of a is 2. So assuming vertex to be at origin, we can write this equation as y square equals minus 4. What is the value of a? A here is 2. And then x. So it will be y square equals minus 8x. Now we'll change the vertex to 2 comma 1. So I'll replace y with y minus 1 and x with x minus 2. So I'll write y minus 1 whole square and then minus 8 and then it is x minus 2. So equation of this parabola is y minus 1 whole square equals minus 8x minus 2. Now we'll take another question, and in this we are given endpoints of latest rectum of a parabola and they are minus 3, 1 and 1, 1. Then we need to find equation of this parabola. So first we'll draw the axis and then we'll mark these 2 points. So one of the point is minus 3, 1. And the other point is 1, 1. So these are endpoints of latest rectum, and from that we need to find equation of this parabola. Now we know that midpoint of endpoints of latest rectum is your focus. So first we'll find focus of this parabola. So we'll find midpoint. So midpoint in this case will be, so x1 plus x2 by 2. So there will be simply 1, and that is minus 1, 1. So for this parabola, its focus will be at minus 1, 1. We'll also find length of latest rectum. So length of latest rectum is simply 4a, and which in this case is simply 4. So for this parabola, value of a is 1. So now we'll draw the axis. Now since this line, it is parallel to x-axis, so this line will be parallel to y-axis. So axis of this parabola is at x equals minus 1. Now we know that distance of focus from vertex is equal to a. So that means vertex for this parabola, it will lie at a distance of 1 unit from S, either upwards or downwards. So we'll take 2 separate cases. Case 1, suppose vertex lie 1 unit downwards. So in that case, vertex will lie at minus 1, 0. So case 1, when the vertex is at minus 1, 0. So now we have focus, we have vertex, and we have endpoints of latest rectum. Now we know that it will represent a parabola opening upwards. So this parabola, it is similar to parabola of the third form, which is x square equals to 4ay. The only difference is vertex of this parabola is not at origin but at minus 1, 0. So what I'll do is, I'll first find equation of this parabola assuming that its vertex is at origin. So assuming vertex is at origin, then equation of this parabola will be simply x square equals 4ay and will be x square. And what is the value of a here? Value of a is 1. So there will be x square equals 4y. Now what we will do is, we will shift the vertex of this parabola at minus 1, 0. So what I will do is, I will replace x with x plus 1 and y with y plus 0. So I'll write x with x plus 1 and then y with y minus 0. So equation of this parabola will be x plus 1 whole square equals 4y. So that's my first equation of parabola. Now if we'll assume this vertex to be 1 unit up, then in that case vertex will be at minus 1 comma 2. So then in that case it will represent a parabola opening downwards. So which is similar to parabola of the fourth form. So again assuming vertex at origin. So for the second case, when the vertex is at minus 1 comma 2, so assuming vertex to be at origin, we'll compare it with the fourth equation, which is x square equals minus 4ay. Now in this case value of a is 1, so we'll write x square equals minus 4y. Now we need to change the vertex to minus 1 comma 2. So we'll replace x with x plus 1 and y with y minus 2. So we'll get this equation as x plus 1 whole square equals minus 4 and y minus 2. So there are two parabolas possible. So either the equation is x plus 1 whole square equals 4y, or it is x plus 1 whole square equals minus 4 y minus 2. Now the question is, find the equation of the parabola whose vertex and focus are on the axis of x at a distance of a and a dash from the origin respectively, where a is less than a dash. Now we are given vertex is at a distance a. So vertex is at a distance a and focus is at a distance a dash. So that's your S and that's your P. Now what's the distance between vertex and focus? So distance between vertex and focus in this case will be simply a dash minus a. Now since vertex is here, focus is here, we know parabola is going to open rightward. So for this parabola, what is the value of a? Value of a is distance between vertex and focus, which in this case is a dash minus a. Now assuming vertex to be at origin, we can write this equation of parabola. So assuming vertex at origin, we can write this equation as y square equals 4, and what is the value of a? A here is a dash minus a into x. Now vertex is not at origin, but the vertex is at this point whose coordinate is simply a comma 0. So now we need to change this vertex to a comma 0. So I'll replace y with y minus 0 and x with x minus a. So equation of this parabola will be y minus 0 whole square 4 a dash minus a, and this is x minus a. So equation of this parabola will be y square equals 4 a dash minus a into x minus a. So that is the equation of this parabola.